Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl J Ross back with another video. As you guys can tell by the title, first of all, I'm gonna learn how to speak and enunciate my words. As you guys can start over. As you guys can tell by the title down below, I'm going to be trying out Kara Beauty for the first time. So I've actually had this for a minute because of course I didn't know by April, so I have bought no makeup, skincare, anything like that since late March, and this is one of my purchases. If you guys follow me on Instagram, which you should be, I'm just saying, and you should also be subscribed to my channel as well. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have saw me do this haul already, but I haven't created a look with it. I just showed you guys me unboxing it, and that was it. I got hooked on them by one of the greatest eyeshadow swatchers ever. I call her Swatch Queen. That is Jacqueline Tries It. I will link her channel down below, and I will also link her Kara Beauty affiliate code down below, which I use to also get these items for a good discount as well. But anyhow, she got me interested into trying these with her swatching. It was a green palette and a red palette. I don't remember what they were called. I mean, I could look it up, but look, I just got off work and your girl is tired. So I'm trying to do this while I'm in the mood to just keep going. This is the palette I'm going to be doing a look with today. This is the Free Spirit Wild Heart palette. This is a dual palette, basically has two different sides, and look how beautiful these shades look. Also comes with two mirrors on each side, but I'm trying not to blind you guys. The blue side, which this is the reason why I got this palette, because it has blue in it. I'm really trying not to blind you guys, and I still have the sheet on it. Like, you could literally break this off into 9 pans, have this with this like just a pop of blue, or have this blue palette with some pops of silver, or you could do this pinky purple side with this could be like a 9 pan and that could be a 9 pan, but either way, still a beautiful palette, and that's what I plan to do with my eyes today. I have this lip crayon from them in the shade Dirty Talk. It's waterproof matte finish, and then I also have this Copycat Liquid Rouge Vivid Lip Gloss. As well as this beautiful Dazzling Lights highlighter in the shade Sunlit Glow. Once again, if you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen me at least swatch this. Absolutely stunning to swatch, so I can't wait to use it on my face. Of course, let's get into the eyeshadow palette. I was requested in a video to do my eyeshadow, like actually talk through my eyeshadow look. I don't even know when the last time I've actually talked through an eyeshadow look. This is gonna be fun to kind of like actually talk through this, because I have no idea majority of the time what the heck I'm doing. Start off with my eyeshadow primer. I've been using this ever since I bought it. This is the Fenty Beauty Amplifying Pro Filter Eye Primer. Usually, if my eyelids are oily, because I do have oily skin, I will take a sponge or whatever and just dab over my eyelids, but I already did that off camera because I wasn't thinking. I want to match my headband, which this palette does. I guess these shades actually do have names too, if I actually hold the palette correctly. The weird thing is they're opposite. So this is the blue side of the palette, but it's on the back of the pink side. And this is the pinky purple side of the palette on the back of the blue side. I'm gonna take So Effortlessly in my outer V. And like I said, this is my first time trying anything from Kara Beauty. So this is also a first impression of their brand for me, including like trying out their eyeshadows. So pigmentation was pretty good on that. You guys literally saw one dip, and that's all I did. I'm still blending out the same one dip that I'm doing. I feel like I want to keep this look as simple as possible, but knowing me, it will go left quickly. So I think I'm just gonna leave it like right there, kind of like literally fitting it into my outer corner. Like sometimes I would blow it out and make it more bigger, but I think I'm just gonna leave it like literally right there. I'm getting a little bit of fallout, but that's also because I didn't tap off my brush, because look, don't judge me. I just forgot to tap it off. Dark shades usually do pretty good, but it doesn't look patchy or anything. It looks really good, and the vibrancy on camera is really good as well. So I think I'm gonna try to do that color next, but I wanna do it in a shimmer form. Is that weird?
Few moments later.
It's me, so I don't really care. And this shade is called Like a Storm. Ooh, that's a pretty shade name. But I got it on the wrong brush. Oh crap. I don't want it on a blending brush. I actually meant to take the other shade. Okay, let's switch brushes. Sorry guys, that was not the palette, that was me. I was actually going to try to find a shade to blend out the blue, but I got distracted by like a storm. So that was on me, not on the palette. So I'm just taking a different brush and going back into like a storm, just like this pretty bluish, grayish shade. That's really pretty. I have no idea where I'm going with this look. I usually don't talk through my looks because I never know where I'm going with them. I want to see how it does with the finger. It's not like a pressed glitter or anything. It just has like a beautiful like shimmer to it. But it is like a buttery shade. Yeah, I definitely like applying that better with my finger. But now I also have fallout on my face, once again, because I used a blending brush first, and I think that's what caused it. What I am going to do is go back to that first shade, which is, I think, So Effortlessly. I could be wrong. And then, of course, I'm tapping it off just to get a nice, smooth gradient. And all I'm doing there is just taking whatever is left on that brush and kind of just going along my crease with it to kind of make sure it evens out up here. So like how that kind of already did it, I'm just like kind of making sure it looks even on the other side. So not a necessary step. Like if you don't have like hooded eyes like I do, then you don't have to do that, and like your creases will probably already look perfect. But I just kind of do that so when I open my eyes, I'm not really losing the shade. It's still going where everything else goes. I have a silvery eye look going on right now, but I have a gold highlighter that I want to try. Okay, so I have this maroon shade that I can bring into the bottom, so to speak. So I'm going to take this shade on my lower lash line. That shade is called Fully Alive. You think I would learn from the top shade to actually tap off my brush? Nope, Jay just does whatever she wants. So I'm using this shade right here, is called In Her Own Way. I am going to trust my own process and not start over. Is it In the Storm or Of the Storm? Whatever it is shade, I'm bringing that more to the inner corner. I just don't know what I want to do for the inner corner because I have a gold highlight. I'm going to try this shade called Quest. If I don't stop sticking my finger in the shade under it. I want to leave it because I want to be different. But I have no idea what I'm doing with this look. This is why I don't talk through my eyeshadow looks, because I never know what the heck I'm doing. Okay, so I feel like once my face, like the rest of my base is on, like I feel like I can make this work and like it better. I mean, I still like it. It's the gold that's throwing me off, but at the same time, I love my inner core gold and I love being different. So I think I can try to pull this through. Like I said, this is the Dazzling Lights Pressed Diamond Highlighter in the shade Sunlit Glow. The packaging is pretty legit. I'm trying not to like blind you guys. It is like a mirror face, and as you guys can tell, fingerprints are on it because I've already swatched this. Look at that shade. Super soft, super soft. Look at that. Like that will be so pretty on the body, especially for summer. Oh, I might have to bring that out for the summer. Look at this. I think there's like 2 other shades if I'm not mistaken. And I might go back and get them all. Look at that. Tell me you guys are seeing that glow. Tell me. And if y'all say y'all don't, you're lying, because I know you're lying. Of course, I'm going to tone it down a little bit, but I just want you guys to see how beautiful this is. Look at that reflection on it. Ugh. Let me tone it down a little bit with my powder brush. Let's go on to the lip. Like I said, this is in the shade Dirty Talk. This is the lip crayon matte finish. So of course, it being a darker brown, I figured I could just use this as a liner, and then I'll use the gloss as a topper. So, okay, so twisting it does nothing. So I think it's sharpenable. Oh my gosh. If that's not my shade, I don't know what is. That is so me. Ugh. And it's not a tugging matte. Oh my gosh, the shade is super cute. Okay, I need more of this shade. Oh my gosh, that shade is so me. But I'm gonna try the lip gloss anyway because that's what I do as well. And this is in the shade Copycat. Okay, a little bit darker than I thought. Cute packaging. I think the nude ones that I wanted were sold out, but I still want to try a Lippies, so I grabbed this one. It's a darker nude than what I want with this look. Very cute combo though. Don't get me wrong, I love the combo, but I am going to brighten it up a little bit with my favorite gloss from Mocha Cosmetics. This is in the shade Plumpy. So yeah, this is the overall final and finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I am very, very impressed. I think there is like 1 or 2 more of these. I'll leave the link down below to this palette, of course, as well as the other 3 products that I tried. I can say I'm truly happy with today's look, and I'm happy with the Kara products. Like I said, I did get this idea to try Kara Beauty from Jacqueline Tries It. Please go check out her channel. Like I call her, and I will forever call her the swatch queen. Go check her out for sure. I will also leave her affiliate link down below for Kara Beauty's website. And I hope you guys really did enjoy this look. I hope that was a well explained eyeshadow look for you guys. I know I usually just like kind of fast forward it and just show you the shades I use and keep it pushing, but I hope that was decent. Like I said, I'm not used to actually explaining my eyeshadow look. If you guys want more of me explaining certain parts of my makeup routine, please go ahead and comment that down below.
Second of all, you know I'm vacillating here trying to...
Yeah, that's all I have to say. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I am your girl, J Ross. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys so much for getting me over 400 subscribers. I really do appreciate you guys. I want to hit at least 400 subscribers by the end of April, and I did that with 2 days to spare. So you guys are absolutely awesome. Hopefully we can get to 450, maybe 500 for the month of May. But I truly appreciate all my new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. And like I always say, I hope you guys are staying safe, happy, healthy, and blessed. And I will see you guys in my next one. Love you guys. And once again, thank you for the subby request to actually slow down my eye look and break it down. And thank you to Jacqueline Tries It for introducing me to Kara Beauty. So I hope you guys go check out her channel as well. Love you guys. Peace.